right, so the purpose of this lab is to simulate the decay of a radioactive isotope. We will assume here that the unstable parent atom decays into a stable daughter atom, and there's no other particles that are emitted. So once this decays, it decays and it's done into something stable. This lab is fairly straightforward here. We have 50 mini M&Ms. I think the lab manual says to use peas, but you can use peas, M&Ms, coins, poker chips, really anything that has a distinct side and will land with one of those sides up or down. So here's our 50 M&Ms, and they're all parent side up. So in our data, we're going to say we start with 50 parent atoms. So if we have 50 parent atoms, we have 0 daughter atoms to begin with. So to do this, we're just going to take all of our atoms and put them into a cup. There we go. We're just going to shake it a couple times and pour them back out. Now we want to make sure that we form a single layer, so we can just kind of pat those down. It doesn't really matter. All right. So we have a single layer, and some of you can see that some of the M's are up and some of the M's are down, and we want to separate those out. So if the M is up, those are our parent atoms, and we want to put those over here. And separate out our daughter atoms over here. And there we go. So over here we have a pile of daughter atoms, and over here we have a pile of parent atoms. We're just going to count those. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 31. So we have 31 parent atoms. So we should over here have, well, what should we have? 19. Yeah, 19 daughter atoms. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. So we have 31 and we have 19. So in our data table, we're just going to come over here and we're going to put 31 as our parent atoms, and we're going to have 19 as our daughter. So we're done with our daughter atoms. We want those out. Okay, we're going to keep those out. And then we're going to put our parent atoms back into the cup. And we're just going to repeat. So gather up all the remaining parent atoms and do this again until there are no parent atoms remaining. So I'm just going to shake again, separate out, count them, and record.